They said they want 3 to 1. 3 feet high for every 1 feet high. 3 feet wide for every 1 feet high. No. That's love it.
Yeah, but it's pretty close. I mean, how far is the river supposed to go?
Okay. I believe. Let me get my bearings. It should be over there by that.
Where those trees are.
Yeah, way past over there, way over there. Yeah.
Ah, so this is
This is all land. They predicted Thursday. It should be up to those sandbags by Thursday.
By Thursday, yeah.
That's prediction.
This is the after show party.
Yeah.
The rat party. More and more people coming in. You see, this is community. They're all coming in to help. So that's where we just left off, and all the volunteers taking days off from work. This whole community just pulls together, huh? See you, Tom. Thank you.
Cat's coming down, dude.
Oh yeah.
I shouldn't have said nothing.
Check it out. It's still filming, so.
That's funny.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, it is.
We did a good job.
Very good job.
Missed the motivation. More coming in.